Hi, everyone is asking about this indicator, how it works or how it was designed. So I just want to tell you that very simple manner. It is just like more than somewhere around 300 plus videos of institutional volume after searching from the YouTubes. Okay, so I have taken the values and I have configured the indicator in a manner where it's suitable for Indian markets. So, how to add the indicator? As you all people know that the name of the indicator is volume astra. I have just changed it, and the code is in private. Why? Because I do not want to let the people know about the values, and if publicly posting, someone may copy it, and they may make the money with the this one. So I do not want to do that. So just providing access, whoever is the TradingView users, and the people are asking me that how to use this indicator. So once you apply volume astra, once you give your TradingView ID, I will add the access to your ID so that you can add this one by Santosh Vadlwani. So after you add it, you can see in this way. So some people are asking, so I will use other people indicators also for the better confirmation, because switching from time frame to time frame is very difficult for me in the live markets. So the question is here, how to use this indicator and what are the things. So you may see that it's a different name, but that is the same indicator only. So if you see the things, TradingView doesn't support more than two indicators for the free subscription or basic subscription. So what I did is I have designed the pane script with two, three indicators in a single pane, and where the values you can design yourself, but I used to 15 and smoothing length is 21. So EMA, why we need a smoothing? Because to avoid the noise. EMA 1 I'm using 9 and smoothing with 9, and EMA 2 length is 15 with the 21, and you are able to see that bullish FVG and volume bars. So what it will happen, it will collect the data from the lower time frames, what exactly happening with the buy volumes and sell volumes and cumulative deltas, everything it will calculate, and it will generate a FVG. What is FVG and everything you can check in the YouTubes, but still I will post the better videos, whatever it is available from data from LTF. You can use only 1 minute because the people are using the basic subscription. If you are using the premium subscription, even you can put the 1 second also, but I don't suggest the lesser time frame until and unless you like a ultra scalper. Okay, so then come back to this show ER circle marker. Okay, so this is very simple. ER circle marker is 10 and 0.7. I'm using it. You can use it whatever the values. It is just like whether it is trending or not. These plus icons are there, right? I put in white color, which is plotting on the chart, which will tell you that this is trending or not. So if it is not trending, you cannot expect. Along with the volumes, we need the trending. Okay, so that one. And you are able to use the Z score, which is actually will tell you that how much volume it is trading when compared to the previous 15 bars. Here if you see that 15 comma 2, so what it will do is last 15 bars volume it will calculate, and if any bar is crossing more volume, then it will denominate it with the diamonds. Okay, so diamond I'm putting the white color for a clear visibility. So other things you are able to see the BOS, CHS, these are smart money concepts. I'm using the Lux Algo smart money concepts one. Okay, so do not worry on that as of now. Okay, do not concentrate on that. So what else you want to see here is go for one more thing, data from and show max value threshold I told you. So show zero line, it is okay. So when back to the style, okay, you are able to see that, right? Pivot, TC, BC, and R1, S1, S2. See, based on type of trade you are going for, a buy means I will tick R1, R2, R3, or if I'm going for a sell means I will mark and uncheck it. Okay, based on that. See, P means pivot, based on the previous day close. Okay, previous day close, it automatically it will calculate the pivots. I think everyone aware of that. TC and PC, it is the bottom of the CPR and top of the CPR. CPR, lot of concepts are available in YouTube also. So this is also same way. Okay, pivot and top pivot and bottom pivot. And if you go down a little bit, same thing, volume gaps. Okay, here volume gaps are very very important. The concept will come when the present bar volume is more than the previous bar, it will show in the triangles. Like just for example, if you see here, even this bar is showing the small arrow, right? Okay, triangle. So it is saying that, from the previous bar, it is, clearly it is a high volumetric. Okay, so based on that, so and again, one more thing, these are the volume caps, you can see by the arrows, so which will clearly indicating that, a lot of confirmations from the volume side, the price is going to move or not. And apart from that, you are able to, let me show you something. See, you are able to see the green lines, right? These are the previous day low, means this day, whatever the day completed here, that day low this is. And red lines are the day highs. So R1, R2, R3 and R4. R4 specifically I use it as a white color. And if you see R1, small thin line and little bit more thin, thick and more thick, brighter thick. So it is easily visibility of options. Okay, I just want to see that whether it is, R1 is crossing or not, R2 is crossing, because these are the intraday levels. We will look for that. Okay, so R1, R2, R3, R4, and this is the day high and this is the day low. Everything, if you don't want, you can go into the settings and clearly uncheck it, whatever you okay, okay, previous day high and previous day low. Close, I'm not using as of now. If you do not want anything, okay, if you want a cleaner chart, you can do that. Okay, so I will uncheck the labels and price scale, values in status line, input in status line, because I do not want those things. Okay, so I just remove that. So now come back to the indicator, how to use this. Okay, so first of all, you people need to understand that what the price is going to do for you. Okay, so basically what I suggest, whenever you are selecting any stock or something for a trade, just add this indicator and have a look on that how it works. Okay, so when comes to that, okay, whenever I'm choosing any script like Shriram Fin, and I have posted the calls in previously one of the groups, and the people there, you could see that the accuracy is high, but nothing is accuracy high, because I choose the 5 to 6 scripts, and I will look for the options data, and I will look for the OI buildup, and then I will look for the daily candles, 4 hour candles. Based on that, I will choose some 3 to 4 scripts for the next day or in the live market. So usually higher time frame analysis will give you the more precision of the intraday levels. So whatever it is moving, we have to catch the moving ones, because this volume astra will work for the frequently traded like index one or expiries one or something. Okay, and another option is, instead of using the candles, you can use the footprints. This is available for the uh, volume footprint is available only for the premium people. So now back to the fillings, the filling of the color irrespective of the candle color, that is very very important for us. So what it means, I will tell you that. See, if you see here, the green filling, whatever it is, see inside the candle, that is the aggressiveness of the buyers. So from here to here, continuously people are keep on hitting buy, 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 buy. So that is the reason it is filling with red, sorry, green. And if you see, this is the red candle. If a normal price action, if you see, you thought that okay, it is the red. But inside, if you see here, the people from here to here, the people started buying. Okay, the people started buying, means even the candle is closed here, so but the filling was happened here, because it is saying that these people are in aggressive buy. The same way, very simple, if you see the color filling up with red, okay, irrespective of the candle color, if you see normal price action for the same candle, uh, see, it is a red candle, green candle, this is the way. So we see price action is the core concept. But if you additionally, if you add the some layers, what the people are doing, institutions are doing, that will give you the additional confirmation. Okay. So normal price action, how it differently fill the colors is, just a sec. Yeah. See, the full green bar, it is clearly saying that aggressive buying is going on. So first you need to understand the indicator, what exactly it is telling with each and every candle, and where it is filling up or where it is looking up. So basically, whenever the breakouts or something happens with the volume, but when it is goes back to the retracement, it should come up with the less sell volumes and then most buy volumes. So that is the basic phenomena. So, and again, diamonds means, as I said, it is the double volume, is more volume. Okay, whatever the values is set based on the last 15 candles, and plus clearly intention that it is started trending. So we need to capture the move before it is trending based on the volume. So lot of data inside the indicator which will capture the volumes from the 1 minute level. So which will tell you that if you're using the 5 minutes means in the last 5 minutes from the last 15 candles, how it is filling up. So that is the base, the phenomena. It will let you know that how much buy is happening. So if you're seeing this 5 minute candle in the 1 minute of the five candles data will be covered up here, and which will tell that yes, the people are hitting buy. So we do not want to jump to the trade immediately whenever you see the bars or something like that. You need to wait for a retracement, and we'll take with a small SL, and at least 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4, so that even you lose one or two trades, that's okay, because we will be in profit end of the day. So the thing is, you need to understand how it is retracing to your level, either buy or sell. Okay, so until and unless you have a confidence, do not just like that hit the buy or sell or something someone is telling. So you need to be independent based on the calls. That is the phenomena here. So always thinks that whenever you see this type of green filling, so you have to look for buy. I will give you one mark for that. And so where the price action is telling, apart from that volume, so volume and price action, if you combine together, it will tell you that. So I will score myself with the 10 points. Okay, so out of that, if the price is okay with 7 points, then I will take. So what are the points? Usually I will look into that. Okay, so if you see here, this is a central pivot. Okay, so this is the range. If it is a narrow means it's a trending day, if it is a wider one means it is non-trending day. So it's a choppiness will be there. So I look for the option selling. So that is the first thing. So first, this is narrow one or it is the wider one. If it is the wider one means I don't look for that rate, because option selling need a lot of huge capital. So I look for the buying option. So look for the narrow one. See, when comes to this compared to this one, if you see here, it is little narrow one, and this one is purely narrow one. This is central pivot, and this is a purely narrow one. Okay, so sometimes all three together will be there. That is a trending day. Like here, this is the trending days. So usually what the people will do on trending days, first they will hit your stop losses and they will collect all the orders of the buy or something, and they will push the price to higher. So if it is up means usually it will go down later, something like that will be there. So what I would like to tell, first you have to look for the CPR. So CPR, these are the three lines which are narrow or broader. If it is narrow means it's a trending day. That is what you have to look first thing. And second thing is day high and day low. See, if the price is open in between, that is a really good idea for us, instead of gap up or gap downs, which is really needs the huge risk for you. So the price where it is opened for the day, if it is in between the high and low, usually it is a good idea to do that. And that will be a good idea always. Okay, to take the trades. And second thing, if see, most of the manipulation will happen at the day low or day high. Okay, so you have to look for the price for the first 15 minutes or wherever it may be, if it is above day high or if it is manipulating the below the low or above the high, these type of things you need to concern. Third thing, so sorry, EMS slopes. What EMS slope? EMS slopes, 13 or whatever I'm using, 9 and 15, right? So these EMS slopes will tell you that it is trending or non-trending, and the color filling aggressive buying or not. Diamonds will tell you that it is double volume or not, if this is trending or not. So these are the things you need to concern always. So just for example, I'm telling you that, see, whenever price opens, you have to give your marking. So basically this day, if I'm looking, okay, let me replay it, select the bar, and let me select it. Okay, so this is the previous day price action. Okay, so if you see here, no boxes, nothing happened, right? So it's clearly telling. And how to trade, I posted in the charts. Okay, so I think people are reading. The people are saying that it's a bits you are providing, but see, you cannot learn in a single day. I have to tell you slowly, one by one. Okay, so if you see, the price is moving from here, we'll just take the examples how to trade. Okay, I'll just simulating the trades. Okay, so I'm not going to take any trades as of now, because I could not see the any volumetric fair value gaps. Those are green boxes. Usually I tell the people, if green boxes are there, I usually trade. I will show you that. Okay, let me increase the speed to some 3x. So let us see. That very See, if you see here, no green box, no red box are generating means people are not so much aggressive to buy or sell. Okay, let it go, go, go. What happened? This is not showing anything. Okay, let us take something else. Okay, we'll see that. What I can take for now is, which is mostly moved day before yesterday. Uh, yeah, yes, sir, or for whatever it may be the case. So now come back to the things. Okay, I'll show you the examples slowly, but first let me complete on how to use the indicator. Okay, so based on the gaps between the first and second candles, it will calculate the volume. So what I will usually tell the people is first look for that whether the volume between the boxes is increasing or not. That will tell you that the people are aggressively selling, and mostly I suggest you to use higher time frame, then come back to the lower time frame. If you see here, okay, so if you see here, see this volume is 17.6 and here 37. So from here to here the price has the very huge volumes were traded, and if you see the percentage is telling that 96% of the sold here for 17.6k out of 17.6k contracts. Okay, here 96% was there, and here 37 out of that 79. So it is clearly saying that buying pressure is, sorry, selling pressure is there. So now how to trade this, we'll do a replay so that you just understand. Okay, so what I mean to say, which did it, we'll take it some day. Okay, so just for a replay options, we'll see that. Okay, see what I look for that. See this day, if you see here 16.8k contracts here sold, and here 15.6. So it's clearly telling that I'm not so impressed with the price going for a sell. Okay, so narrow CPR, so it is clearly saying the trending day either today or tomorrow. It may be trending, but we need to observe, and EMAs are clearly saying that it is sideways, so too you need to avoid. But if you observe, diamonds are keep on presenting even it is an arrow day, so something is cooking, and we feel that yes, this is going to do something in the next day because huge volumes are playing here. Okay, the diamonds are telling, and this plus icon is clearly telling it is going to be trending, but the price I'm not able to see anything which is moving. So let us, what we need to do is, okay, let us do a one by one candle bar so that it is not for telling you something. I want to tell that how to use the indicator. Okay, so let me play it. See, if you see here now, see 5.6k to 2.4k. See, the volume is clearly saying that selling pressure 16 to 5, 5 to 2 means 2.4k means it's clearly saying that the pressure is reducing. So we are not sure where the price will go, but it's clearly saying that again. If you see here, already the day low was manipulated and it went up. Okay, and again it is reaching the same day low. So maybe the possibilities we are not sure, so we look for the clear instructions from the price side. Okay, so now what is happening from 5.6k to 9.8k, so at least something is increased, so selling pressure started. Okay, so let us wait. Okay, plus is saying that it started moving downwards. Okay, so please wait for the candle close. I always suggest the people to wait for the candle close. Okay, and as we are entering into the lowest we are taking the low risk, so always it's better wait for the candle closer. Okay, so now if you see here, the next day started. Okay, So now 5.6 to 9.6k. So I look for this center line of the red box. If it is reaching and if I am convinced with the price, so that time I will take a short. Okay, so let us play further. See here, day low started printing. So this is the Estelle day low. Okay, so we are not sure how this is going to react here or this one. And if you see the CPR lines, it is little broader when compared to this one. That's okay. If it is a too much broader means you should consider, but it's little broader, we can expect some more because of the previous day concession. Okay, so let us wait. See 9.8k, then 2.6k, now 2.2k. So, and again, the price is below the day low and the time is now around some 10:55. So, I'm convincing that, okay, out of 22k, 80% of the contract sold. And the candle, if you see the aggressive selling happened here and previous candles also, we could see some aggressive selling. So, I look for the sell side of the trade. Okay, so now let us wait. Okay. See now how you will respond. See now if you see here 22k and now 12k. So I don't consider this box if you even it is reacting from here because you can take the risk but the winning chances may be less because always you have to look for the box midline which has the higher volume compared to the previous box. For sell side, this is the previous box 2.6k and 9.8k, 5.6k. So this is the higher volume traded here. So you need to concern that. So let us wait. See now, if you see here, again the aggressive selling happened 12k and 20k, so 100 to 93%. So this box also I will consider for sell if still it says stays. Okay, let us see the candle close. Yes, it is there. So this also we can see that. Okay, so let's wait. See, no reaction. It went up. So now see, the people started aggressive buying, if you observe. So no reaction happened. That's the reason I haven't taken any trade. Wait for the candle close and look for some reaction near the midline of the box. If it is not there, that time red box is there, but whatever we like plotted, so it won't work anymore. So now 10.4k and now 11.6k. So what I will do is I look for the trade this center line of the box because 10.4 to 11.6 it's the volumes. But again here high volume supply is there. So demand to supply, supply to demand. If you're okay to trade, you can trade. But we are taking on the retracement. So let us wait. See now what happened. The box was gone because sellers are dominating because of the supply is there. Okay, so just wait. 8.6k and now 6.4k 86. See now if you observe here now it is a 6k contracts here 7k, so volume is increased and triangle is saying that here the reaction. See this candle caused the box here. So what you can do is just mark. Okay, even you can take the trade but I don't take the trade. It is really risky because my it won't support anything for me. See now if you observe what happened now, see 6k two fair value gaps green boxes and 7k and the price reaction clearly saying that convinced me to buy. So what I will do is I will just buy here and put the stop loss near to the low of the box 730 rupees and it is showing. So basically you look for that till the high volume node. Basically first look for the target less because don't look for much and usually it will go here. That is what my guess. So let us see. See, stop loss got hit. Okay, no issues. We got it. Lost is lost. I haven't confirmed. That's the reason it is not showing closing the position. Okay, we'll see that what is happening. See, so the next day it is started again. Okay, maybe we have taken the trade in the wrong time, nearly somewhere around closing time. So that is maybe caused the issue. Okay, so now what is there? So let us see the reaction here. If any reaction, we will go for a sell. See 6k to 40k. So what you need to do, basically you have to look for that again. Previously the red line was we put it for the high volume with the 22k contracts, and now 40k contracts. So it is closed, so means maybe the buying pressure comes, but rule is rule, 6k to 40k. So just you mark the red line center box and look for the price action near to that. See what happened now. See, the question is simple. Whatever we thought the box, we do not see any reaction. The box was closed. So this is what a trap I used to call. So look for that again. See now 6k to 17k. One more time the buying pressure started. So we just mark the center box. Okay. So look for that. See 17 to 25k. So now what you need to do is just mark again one more time. So now, see, I will give more importance out of 10. At least I will give 9 points. Why? Because 6k, 17k, 25k. It is saying that buying pressure is there. And second thing is, if you see, it is broken the day high. So it is clearly saying that, convincing me that saying that yes, it is going to, in the buy side. And again the color filling is green, so aggressive buying happened to break the previous day high. So that is what additional confirmation. If you see again, this plus icon is clearly convincing that it is started trending. So you can consider this stock to trade now. This is the way you have to understand the indicator. Now see 25k to 32k. So it is clearly convincing it's a trending stock. Okay. So you just like that mark the lines till you see some reaction. We will take the trade on retracement, not just like that we'll take the trades. Okay. See what happened now. So the see now, if you see here from 32k, it is 72k. So it is increasing. Don't chase the price. Okay, while it is going up, don't chase the price. I suggest that. So now again, full green filling candle, aggressive buying. And if you see the small green arrow, it is clearly convincing that from previous candle to this candle, buy volume is very, very high. Okay, and diamond, it is saying that from last 15 candles, if I consider, it will be very, very huge volumes are playing. And plus is clearly saying that it is trending. So all, and it is above the day high, and timing is 10:40. So you can consider this stock for trading. So this is the way you have to understand, and not that we have taken the trade, we have to wait. Okay, see the boxes are disappearing. Okay, if you see this red line, the box we marked and it disappeared. So we need to look for the price action to confirm whether we can participate in buy rally or not. See now the people whoever is waited, they do not want. Okay, they just leaving. So now if you see now again started into the rally of buying. Okay, so let's wait. See, now you have to mark the line again here. Why? Because this one actually you have to remove. This one already gone. So why we are marking 7.4k to 13.4k? So the volume is increased. So second box, we are just putting the center line. Okay, we just see that, and okay, now look for that price action near to that. trending, trending, trending. So 27K. So without deleting that line, just mark the again off of the box. We have to look for the reaction. Until and unless we don't have reaction, we should not. See now again the box disappearing and coming. See now you can clearly convincing that this is the double volume node and center box reaction. See the pin bar, but still the some selling pressure happened here. Selling, aggressive selling happened, the people thought, and now they started buying. So you can participate into the buy rally. So just participate into the buy rally and put the stop loss based on your convenience. Usually I'll keep it below the box, whatever the box, and target price next to volume load. Say this is 1:1. Usually it's not suggestible to trade, but still it's okay, convincing me. Small scale. See, it hit the target. So if you see here, instead of the box, okay, we can put little low also, but that is your wish. Okay, see how the price reacts. So now you have to wait for the candle close. Every time I suggest you to wait for the candle close. So I hope this is a very lengthy video. We'll come up with the further instructions. You just have a look and let me know that. Okay, thank you.